In today's video, I'll show you step by step how to properly upload a video on YouTube. This process is the same whether you are using a laptop or a mobile phone. But if you're uploading from your phone, make sure your browser is set to desktop mode. If you're uploading through the YouTube mobile app, many of the settings I'm about to show you will not be available. So follow along with me and learn how to upload a video correctly on YouTube. First, open YouTube Studio. If you don't have it open, you can simply go to YouTube, click on the create button at the top and select upload video. If you don't have a channel yet, YouTube will ask you to create one. Just enter your channel name and you are ready to continue. I have already posted a video on how to start a YouTube channel, so you can check that for a complete step-by-step guide. Once you are in YouTube Studio, click on the upload button at the top. After clicking it, a window will appear where you can drag and drop your video file or click select file and choose your video from your computer. Once selected, the upload process will start and you can see the progress bar at the bottom. Now let's look at the important settings. First, enter a title for your video. You can use up to 100 characters. Next, write the description. Describe what your video is about and naturally include some relevant keywords. You can also add links, social media handles, or any other resources here. The description box allows up to 5,000 characters. After that, upload a thumbnail. You can either upload a custom image or choose a frame auto-generated by YouTube. A strong thumbnail and title can help your video get more clicks and views. Then scroll down and select a playlist if you want to keep your content organized. Next, YouTube will ask, is this video made for kids? If your video is for a general audience, select no, it's not made for kids. If your video includes paid promotion, you can enable this option to inform viewers that it is sponsored. There is also a brands feature where brands can promote your video, but this only unlocks after reaching a certain subscribers count. You may also see a question asking if you altered reused content. Since this is your own original video, you can simply select no. There is also a collaboration feature where you can invite another creator to this video. This is a new feature added by YouTube. Next is the automatic chapters option where you can allow YouTube to automatically create chapters or you can manually add them in the description. I have already made a video on how to add chapters, so you can watch that for more details. There is also a featured place option which you can enable or disable. Check the description for more details about this feature. Automatic concepts is another setting I usually enable as it helps viewers understand unfamiliar terms in the video. Then comes to tags section. Here you can paste relevant tags related to your video. Make sure the total tag length stays under 500 characters. Otherwise, it will show a warning. You can also adjust language settings, caption certificate, recording date, location, and license and distribution options. You will also see the automatic dubbing option. I have made a separate video on that too, so watch it if you want more information. There is also a shorts remixing option where you can allow or disable others from creating shorts using your video. Next, choose the right category based on your video's niche. Under comments and ratings, you can keep the default settings or change them if needed. By the way, YouTube now allows A/B testing for titles and thumbnails. If you click on the three dots on your thumbnail, you will find the A/B testing option where you can test only the title, only the thumbnail, or both. After adding different titles, you can monitor their performance in the title section. After completing these details, click Next. If you're eligible for monetization, the monetization tab will appear. Here you can enable or disable ads. If your video is longer than 8 minutes, you can manually add ad breaks. Once done, click Next. Now you will see the add suitability section. By default it is turned off, but you should enable it through your settings. Carefully check any points related to your video so you can accurately rate it for advertisers. Submit and click next. Now you will reach the video element section. Here you can add subtitles, tag products. Actually, after 10,000 subscribers, this option is enabled. Then add an end screen and add cards. For subtitles, you can type manually or upload a file. Tagging products allows you to add items from different stores, and you can earn extra commission if viewers purchase through your link. The end screen lets you promote other videos, playlists, or display a subscribe note. You can adjust when they appear. Cards allow you to promote related content during video playback. Once these are done, click next. After that, you will enter the checks section. Your video may still be processing here. If there are any copyright issues, YouTube will show them before publishing, so you don't face strikes or restrictions after the video goes live. Once everything is clear, click next. The final step is visibility. You can set your video as private, where only selected people can view it, or unlisted, where anyone with the link can watch it. If you have channel memberships, you can choose members only. You can also set it to public, making it visible to everyone. Personally, I prefer scheduling my videos. Scheduling gives time for processing and final checks. In the schedule option, you can set the date and time and even change the time zone. If your video is set to members only, you can also schedule it to become public later. Once the checking process is complete and no issues are found, click schedule. And that's it. Your video is now successfully uploaded to YouTube. If this beginner guide helped you, make sure to like, subscribe and comment what you want to learn next about YouTube and video creation. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.